Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Rajhi bank app blocked how to unblock. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. If your bank app is blocked, the reasons app gets blocked is usually happens if you enter the wrong password or PIN many times, security issue detected, account inactivity, phone change, or app reinstall. In order to unblock our Rajhi bank app, the first method that you need to do is reset to the app. To do it, simply head over and open up your Rajhi bank application, and then once inside, simply tap on the forget password option. If you don't see it, simply tap on the login, and then you'll get the forget password and reset option. Then once you do that, simply tap on it, and now here what you need to do is enter the details. Simply enter the ID or ICMA number and ATM card number, then enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile. Then once sent and you have entered the OTP, simply create a new password, and then once done, simply log into your account. Then this fixes the issue most of the time. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is call the customer care. If app is still blocked, simply call on the number 92000334 and choose internet banking or app support. Then verify your identity and ask them to unlock your app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful, and see you soon on the next one.